Hi everyone and welcome to Danka Praktik. If you have an Intex above ground pool, it would be very good and useful to have the air adapter installed. The Intex company calls it the Hydro Aeration system, and it's a big help in keeping the water clean, clear, and it even increases negative ions on the surface of the water, which improves air freshness around the pool. If you don't have it already, it's easy to acquire and even easier to install, as you'll see in this video. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you have the time, watch our other videos about how to set up an Intex pool, how to set up the pump, how to clean and fold the canvas, and much more. It's all closely related to this topic, so it's worth the watch. The links for the full videos are in the description. The main parts of the air adapter are the adapter itself, the air jet valve, which is screwed onto the adapter, the jet nozzle for dispersing water, and two plastic clamps for tightening the valve and the hose. On the jet valve, you'll find a black cap that both clogs the nozzle and covers the valve if needed. In our case, we got the air adapter with the pool already, but you can buy the whole set afterwards. You'll get the same parts as we've explained. Before you start, make sure to disconnect the pool pump from the power supply. If you have an extension cord, like in this case, make sure to move it away from the pump as much as possible. Now regarding installing. If your pool is filled up, like in this case, and you have no air adapter installed already, you should first clog the nozzle with the black plastic cap from the jet valve so there's no water spilling around. Next, release the plastic clamp and take off the hose from the pool. Raise the hose and, at least in our case, we stick the hose into the pool frame until we're finished. There is much less spilling. After this, take the air adapter and push it onto the pool connection. Make sure to turn the valve so the big plastic support on the valve is turned downwards. This is important since this support holds the whole valve and hose from collapsing down on its own weight. Now, take the clamps. With one clamp, tighten the valve to the pool connector. After this, push the hose onto the valve and put the clamp on. And that's that. The air adapter is installed. Once you're finished, if there is excess air in the system, make sure to vent it. Air may get into the pump and hoses and cause problems with the water circulation. For venting, we use the big screw on the filter pump. It is the most convenient way. From our personal experience, we highly recommend buying this adapter, mainly because it's a big help in keeping the pool water clean. By installing it, you'll use fewer filters over the season, have less work around skimming and brushing the pool, and the overall condition of the water will be better and healthier. Another big advantage is that the whole set is pretty cheap to buy and is widely available. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.